Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2019 Harley Davidson Softail Sport Glide, and this one is in Barracuda Silver. Starting up at the front, we've got these two-tone wheels. They look really nice. This bike also is equipped with ABS, front and rear. We have these rider floorboards that flip up extremely easy, and a really comfortable shifter to go along with it. We have a blacked out derby cover, and all the sport glides come with these locking hard mounted saddlebags. They come off really easy though. Previous owner also put the luggage rack on the back. A tour pack, a leather locking tour pack, which is also really nice. And it's a really comfortable backrest for your passenger as well. That is built in. The front fairing comes off extremely easy. It's just two clips on both sides, goes back on just as easy. And we also have this extended smoked windscreen, which makes commuting really comfortable. This is all on top of that 107 cubic inch engine. Again, 2019 Harley Davidson Softail Sport Glide. Come check it out, come ride it. We are open 6 days a week for test rides.